Welcome to a delightful retreat at 7475 Gallo in Grand Prairie, Texas. It is perfectly positioned in the Mira Lagos neighborhood within prestigious Mansfield ISD. I am Carly Howard with the Rafter H Realty Group. This freshly painted 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has an open floor plan connecting the living, dining, and spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinets, counter space, and a kitchen island. Enjoy your secluded primary suite all the way from the other 3 bedrooms, giving you ample space or that additional office that you want. And the cherry on top is the backyard. You do not have any neighbors backing up to you. Reach out today to see 7475 is your dream home.